The first step is to do the collar. Next step is to do the shoulders. I spray both shoulders at the same time. Next part, I do the sleeves because they're smallest, so when I'm manipulating the fabric, I don't have to worry about creasing the big parts. So I start with the smallest stuff first. So I'm doing the sleeves at this time. Now on this part, I am starting the big panels, but I first start off with the side seam, and I don't put any starch on it. Now I'm doing the front half panel all in one time. I use the fat end of the ironing board to spray it, iron it, and I'm done with it. I don't have to manipulate this piece of fabric anymore since I'm using the wide end of the ironing board. Now I'm doing the back panel. I spray both halves at the same time. So it doesn't take long. The starch doesn't dry before you get to that second half. Okay, I got the last half done. Now I'm doing this side panel on this side. No starch. And then I roll it over and do my final front. Okay, we're all done. This is the last piece. Everything's done ironed, so you have a dress shirt done in 5 minutes.